The update we all be waiting for, especially the owners of iPhone 16, is finally here. The update that will bring AI to the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 15 is here. And I'm very excited. I'm going to install it right now. Then we will come back and check out all the newest features. So please stay tuned to the end of this video. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button for a lot of good videos come up on Bigfield TV. Alright guys, my iPhone 16 Pro Max is finally updated to iOS 18.1. In fact, my iPhone 15 Pro Max and my 16 Pro Max are now running on the iOS 18.1. That means they both have Apple Intelligence. Now the Apple Intelligence is quite complicated. The only iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max and all 16 are compatible with this Apple Intelligence. So if you have normal iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Plus, nope, it's not compatible. Or iPhone 14 and later are not compatible. Only iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and all 16 series are compatible. And it's quite complicated. First, you have to update your phone. Then secondly, you have to make sure that Siri is running on English US, like United States English. If it's English in any other country, it's not gonna be compatible as of right now. So your phone, your Siri must be running on English United States. And as you can see right now on my iPhone 15, right here, it's now available. Turn on Apple Intelligence. There you go. These are some of the features: writing and summarizing. Start a new era for Siri, built-in privacy. Continue. Now Apple Intelligence is turned on even on my iPhone 16. It's the same thing. And the first thing we're going to test out is the new Siri animation. So if I press the Siri button, there you go. The new Siri animation.
I didn't get that.
And the
Could
sound.
you try again?
Apart from the new Siri animation, another feature I found is cleaned up. Yes, there is now cleaned up in the photo app. So if you get into edit, there is now cleaned up. So if I tap on clean up, like here, there are two fish here. I can remove one fish, a circle around, and ta-da, it's gone. And it's really good. Wow, it cleaned up really good. Another example is the Starbucks coffee here. I hit on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, or hit on cleaned up. Then I circle the Starbucks coffee. And it's gone. You see, I didn't circle the straw. The straw is here. So it left the straw. All right, let me do it again by circling everything with the straw. All right, cleaned up. So now I'm going to circle right up to the straw. No, it didn't work well. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. All right, cleaned up. I'm going to clean it here. Let's see, let's see. It's still not good. Let me try it again one more time. The straw, then the cup. It only removed. Okay, now let me remove the cup. Okay. But as you can see, it's not perfect, because you can see it left a lot of a strain all around. It's not perfect. But here on the fish, it removed it really well. Another feature that the iOS 18.1 brought is call recording. Now you can record calls, but remember, the receiver will be informed that this call is recorded. Let me show you how it works. Let's say this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I want to make a call. As the call is going, I'll pick up the call. Then if I click on this icon right here on top left corner, if I click on it, You see here? You listen. You hear that? So they inform the receiver that this call will be recorded. Like right now, the call is being recorded. And if you want to see the recorded messages, you get into the Note app. The Note app right here, Notes. And these are the call recorded. Like this one, you can play it. So they inform the receiver that this call will be recorded. Right now, the call is being recorded. So those are the features brought by the iOS 18.1. As of right now, 3 main features. But the one I'm more excited is the new Siri animation. Let me know down in the comment section which one are you more excited about. For my iPhone 16, the camera control still doesn't have any updates. As you know, Apple promised us. As of right now, there's nothing. As you can see, there's nothing. It still takes you to, even if I press and hold, we only record videos. So there's no new features for the camera control. Yeah. And that's it for this video, guys. Let me know down in the comment section if you're excited about the iOS 18.1 Apple Intelligence. Do you have iPhone 15 Pro and the 16 series? Let us know down in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching this video. See you into the next one. Peace.